Today we're going to make some mustard greens with some beef steak tips. We're going to chop the mustard greens up. Just chop them on up. We have them chopped up. We're going to drop them into our strainer. Gotta give it a good old clean, y'all. Make sure they all clean. Now we're gonna drop them into our pot. Add some water, just a little, because greens make their own water. Put on the stove and allow it to cook for at least an hour and 30 minutes until it gets soft. Cover with a lid. Drop in your steak tips and they'll get soft into the greens. We're going to add some salt. About a teaspoonful. Chop up 1/2 of onion and 3 cloves of garlic. And then put your lid back on and let it cook. So we're going to make some cornbread to go with these greens. So you need 3 cups of cornmeal, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup, no, my bad, 1 cup of milk. And we're going to mix it all together and bake it. So let's do this. 1 egg. And then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of sugar to give it that little sweetness that you want. Butter a 9x10 baking pan. Pour in your pancake mix. My bad, cornbread mix. Y'all, I gotta give it to me today. Okay, and then we're gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. The cornbread is done. We're gonna put some butter on it. Yeah, we're gonna rub this butter on it. Get it all over the place. Buttery cornbread, and our greens are finished. Oops, so much smoke coming out of there. Our greens are done. Greens, yummy, delicious greens with steak tip meat. You can use collard greens, mustard greens. You can use neck bones in it, turkey necks, smoked meat. And yes, we all done. Now let's make us a plate.